a spacious living room, I must say, for a 2 BHK. You're going to be getting 3 sides of platform over here. So a L shape here is your bedroom, a quite spacious bed. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Satwa Sumera by Satwa Group. This is located right next to L&T Crescent Bay in Parel East. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office, and here is the construction site. Have a look at it. You may also have the look at the neighborhood. This road takes you directly to the main road, guys. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.25 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 63 residential floors with 2 and 3 BHK option and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 35 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, multi-purpose court, podcast room, library, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Talking about connectivity, this project is located right beside L&T Crescent Bay, Parel East, with Dadar railway station at a distance of just 14 minutes, with Parel railway station at a distance of just 10 minutes, Eastern Freeway at a distance of just 10 minutes, and Atal Setu at a distance of just 15 minutes. Now let's go check the sample flat out. Now let's do the 2 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 761 square feet. As we enter, this is your living area. Have a look at it. Such a spacious living room, I must say, for a 2 BHK. It's very rare to get such big living space. After having your entire sofa over here, there's still so much space over here as well. After having a sofa over there, there's still so much of walkable space over here. Such a open, living room this is. Right here is your dining area. So you can easily place your 6 to 8 seater of dining space over here because of the space that they have. Moving ahead, this right here is your very spacious kitchen. You're going to be getting 3 sides of platform over here. So a L-shaped platform here, and then a separate wash basin platform where you can easily wash your utensils and use this separately. Right here is your dry space. So this is your dry area, a quite spacious dry area. You can see there's so much of place of storage also in this kitchen. That's the best part. You're getting 4 sides of wall for storage, and this is a separate microwave and oven space. They've taken care of everything that is required in the kitchen. Now moving ahead. As we go ahead, this is your common washroom. A nice common washroom. Again, you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings for your guests. Now let's go check out our first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. Again, a quite spacious bedroom, guys. You're going to enjoy a lovely view from this bedroom. You will get French windows attached. Now right there is your cupboard area, wardrobe area. A whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area, so enough storage, and there's still so much of walkable space. The depth of the wardrobe is also quite good. Now let us check our attached washroom. So this is your attached washroom. Again, you'll be getting this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting. Again, a quite spacious attached washroom. Now let's go move ahead and check out our master bedroom, which is the biggest bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat video and actual flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out our master bedroom, second bedroom. As we enter, this is your foyer space, of course to maintain privacy. And right here is your bedroom, a quite spacious bedroom. Just check out the space. There's so much of walkable space in this room after placing a whole king size bed as well. Again, you will be getting a French window attached. And here is your attached washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting. Again, a quite spacious washroom. Right here is your wardrobe area. So a whole wall again dedicated for your wardrobe space, and there's walkable space as well. The depth, you can check the depth also of the wardrobe. So again, a quite spacious master bedroom. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Satwa Sumera by Satwa Group. To get more information about this particular project, don't forget to check the comment section. Also, to know about more such properties, do check the icon button. Also, do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.